Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share with you my latest kitchen find. It's a game changer. I've been using it non-stop, and I just can't get enough of it. You guys are going to love this. It's perfect for all you home bakers and chefs out there. It's the Martha Mixer, a fantastic kitchen appliance that's made my life so much easier. This thing is amazing. It's like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. I've been able to make so many more complex recipes with ease, and it's really taken my baking to the next level. So let's break down the specs. It's got a huge 5.3 quart bowl, which is perfect for big batches of cookies or cake. I've made a few wedding cakes with it, and it's handled the large quantities of batter with ease. It's also got 12 different speeds, so you can mix, knead, and whip with ease. I love that I can start with a slow speed to cream together butter and sugar, and then increase the speed to whip cream or beat eggs. Plus, it comes with 3 super useful attachments, like a dough hook and a whisk. The dough hook is perfect for making homemade pasta or pizza dough, and the whisk is great for making meringues or whipped cream. The tilt head design makes it really easy to scrape the sides and add ingredients, which is a total must-have for any serious baker. It's all made from durable stainless steel, which is not only stylish, but also easy to clean. And the best part, all the parts are dishwasher safe, which is a total lifesaver. I've been using it to make all sorts of treats, from cakes and cookies to bread and pasta dough. It's been a real workhorse in my kitchen, and I couldn't imagine going back to my old mixer. I've even used it to make homemade ice cream, which is a total game changer. The Martha Mixer has made it so easy to make complex recipes, and it's really opened up a whole new world of possibilities for me. I've been experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, and it's been amazing to see what I can create with this mixer. In real-world use, I've found that the Martha Mixer is perfect for large families or for those who like to entertain. I've made huge batches of cookies for parties, and it's handled them with ease. I've also used it to make homemade bread, which is a total staple in our household. One of the things that really sets the Martha Mixer apart is its versatility. I've used it to make everything from delicate meringues to hearty bread dough, and it's handled each task with ease. The variable speed control is also a major plus, as it allows me to fine-tune the mixing process to get the perfect results. And, as I mentioned earlier, the stainless steel construction is not only durable, but also easy to clean, which is a must-have for any kitchen appliance. Overall, I'm totally in love with the Martha Mixer. It's been a total game changer for me. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's definitely worth the investment. If you're in the market for a new mixer, I highly recommend checking this one out. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.